Courtney Greaves. Say hi to This is Jamaica.
Hi.
Tell us about the scholarship you just won.
It is the Global Poetry Foundation competition. I entered 15 poems into all of the categories and I got 7 trophies and I got 1 for my school. I'm going to go for my favorites. We're going to start from the biggest. Open category champion, smallest. Best short poem. Most consistent poet. Best category award. Overall poet champion. I am the best environmental poem. And I also have the most outstanding poet award.
Wow. And I saw Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, put out something on Facebook and all over the place with you, right? That was exciting, right?
Yes, it was.
And then the Governor General sent you a letter. How you felt about that?
I did not expect to get so much recognition for this. I thought it was just a normal poetry competition that I would just enter and get something, but I did not expect to get all of this.
Well, you know what? When you're great, you're great. That's just what it is, you know? And you just talk to the Consul General. Yeah. How does that make you feel?
I have no words to describe it.
Yeah? Okay. And I'm meeting you for the first time. Yeah. So, you know, I'm glad to meet you, man. You know, I love you, girl. Come here, bring it in. That's like the dot. I never have, you know. We always talk about Courtney Greaves all the time. You know, the star from This is Jamaica. Everybody's just watching you. So you know what? You can't mess up. Because there's a lot of expectation. But the thing about it was, Dr. Andrea Tharp, you know, was a pediatrician. She's retired. Her concern is that you're moving so fast and don't have a time to actually be a child. So you have to find that time to find that balance, you know. So that's her concern. Now, she's not saying that's not happening, but she's just concerned that you have that balance, you know. So, you know, you want to say anything to the This is Jamaica group?
Thank you for supporting me, and I am glad to be your ambassador.
Who's you? Come on.
And I am glad to be the This is Jamaica ambassador.
There you go. You know what I'm talking about. So, do you remember the This is Jamaica poem? Mm-hmm. Say it. Let me see if you remember, Mr. Ambassador. Say it. You want me to say it together?
Yes.
All right. Ready? Are we going to say the title or we're just going to say it?
Say the title first.
You want to say the title and then may you say it? All right, say the title.
This is Jamaica by Peter Gracey.
Okay, here we go. You want to do stanza by stanza? Line by line? You saw how me and Oliver Samuel did it?
Yeah.
All right, you just want us to do it together?
Just say it together.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. This is Jamaica. This is my country. A son of this island, a daughter of this land. Fearless of fear, I stand in awe. Only love prevails, secured in God's hands. This is Jamaica,
where joy cometh in the morn, surrounded by mystic waters, crashing onto the shores, where only heroes are born. Only if you knew Jamaica as well as I do, then you would utter, I love you, Jamaica, God knows I do.
This is Jamaica, a simple speck in the universe. Our heart beats and pulse in every nation, but only second to the kingdom of God, we put Jamaica first. I am Jamaican, regardless of where you may find me. Black, green, and gold is the marrow in my bones. So if I die away from my island, I pray to God you'll take me home. Oh my gosh. All right, so This is Jamaica crew. This is our daughter right here. And you know, we got you. We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna make sure you're alright. You know? So you're now Marion Morgan's big sister. Okay? And then the next time I come back now I have to go see Marion Morgan and all that. But I think she's in St. Catherine. So but yeah. So this is it. So peace.
Bye.